In this video, I am going to show you how to post an idea pin on Pinterest. 1. Open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. 2. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a plus icon, which is the Create menu. Tap on it to proceed. In the Create menu, select Idea Pin to start creating your multi-page content. You will be prompted to select an image or video you want to include in your idea pin. You can either choose existing content from your camera roll or capture new pictures or videos directly through the app. Once you've uploaded your content, you can customize it to your liking. This includes resizing images, editing video clips, adding text overlays, incorporating music or audio, applying stickers, and even drawing directly. After customizing your content, tap on Next to proceed. Here, you'll need to provide some information about your idea pin. This includes title, description, link, tagging, and board. Once you've filled all necessary details, just click on Publish and your pin will be created. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.